Friends, welcome to our channel Google Galaxy. Today we are going to talk about the two types of current. One is electron current and another one is convectional current. Make sure that you have seen the previous video to continue with this lecture. Whenever we attached a cell across the conductor, whenever we attached the cell across the conductor, we have attached the cell across the conductor, what we will see that there is flow of electrons from negative terminal towards the positive terminal. This movement of free electrons constitute the current, and we call this current as electron current. We call this current as electron current. Before the invention of an atom, it was said that there is something flowing from positive to negative terminal. I just repeat again, before the invention of electron, before the invention of atom, or we can say electron, it was said that like heat flows from higher body of higher temperature to lower temperature, similarly electron is flowing from, that something is flowing from, I just repeat again, before the invention of an atom, it was said that something is flowing from positive terminal to negative terminal, which cause the current. It is similar to heat flowing from higher temperature to lower temperature. Later on it was found that something is not flowing like a fluid from positive to negative terminal, but it is actually a movement of electrons. So when they started calculating the numericals based on the invention of electrons, the all values of that circuits become negative. So what they decided that whenever we say that something is flowing from negative to positive terminal, we always say that from negative to positive terminal is always an electron current. Similarly, whenever we say that something is flowing from positive to negative terminal, we used to say it is an always convectional current. It is always convectional current. What does convectional means? It means rule, as according to the previous rule decided by the scientist, but they decide that something is flowing from positive to negative terminal, that we called as convectional current. So now onwards, don't get confused regarding the electron current and convectional currents. Whenever you have to just solve the numericals, you will always have to assume that something is flowing from positive to negative terminal, but in real application, the movement of electrons from negative to positive terminal. But whenever you have to solve the numericals, you will always have to follow the concept of that something is flowing from positive to negative terminal, otherwise your values will get wrong and teacher will mark you wrong. The units of both of the current is ampere, and the smaller units is milliampere. Then we have the microampere. These are the units of current. These are the units of current.